When Jared had lived 162 years, he became the father of Enoch, his firstborn son.
He lived 800 years and had other sons and daughters.
And all the days of Jared were 962 years, and he died. When Enoch had lived 65 years, he became the father of Methuselah. He walked faithfully with God for 300 years and had other sons and daughters throughout his long and meaningful life.
He lived 365 years.
He walked with God, and then he was no more, because God took him away. When Methuselah had lived 187 years, he became the father of Lamech. He lived 782 years and had other sons and daughters to carry on the family name through all of these long years.
He lived 969 years, and then he died. When Lamech had lived 182 years, he had a son, and he called his name Noah for comfort.
5 years and had other sons and daughters beside Noah.
Lamech lived 777 years and then he died.
After 500 years, he became the father of 3 sons. Their names were Shem, Ham, and Japheth. And that is the family line of Adam, the first generations of mankind. See you in the next story.